Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at demonstration classes. Let's check it out. So a demonstration class is often required as part of an interview process to get a job at any given school here in China. They do these to kind of see how well you are doing in the class, but it's not like an actual class. The demonstration class is more actually to do with seeing you and how you move and interact in a classroom. Do you get on well with the students? Are you fun? Are you upbeat? Do you have energy? You'd be surprised at the amount of people that just turn up to a class drunk, sullen, and without any enthusiasm for teaching whatsoever. So this is just the bottom bar, just to see that you're actually a decent person and not just a decent teacher. What you want to do is you want to keep these classes light, simple, and fun. Don't think of this so much as having to make sure that the students learn this particular English that you're looking to do, but focus more on making sure that students are happy to engage you in English and to use English during this particular demo class. Be prepared, because these demo classes, you just get thrust into a classroom and you don't know what's going to be in there. If there's going to be a computer, there's going to be a CD player or a chalkboard even. So when you do a demonstration class, keep that in mind and be flexible. Choose a topic that you can easily demonstrate without any flashcards or any sort of classroom tools. I find topics like animals, sports, hobbies, parts of the body are all great topics because they're all things that you can demonstrate with either drawing a picture or by using your body. Also, these topics are often covered a lot for these students, so they're probably already familiar with them. What I would do is introduce your vocabulary with some TPR, total physical response, that means basically acting out the vocabulary, and get the students to follow along and say the vocabulary as you demonstrate it, and they can do it as well. Then do a song that has that vocabulary within it. So if you're going to do the topic of body, do head, shoulders, knees and toes. If you're going to do about animals, you can adapt if you're happy and you know it. If you're a tiger and you know it, clap your hands. Something like that. Make the song simple and one that's easily adaptable and usable. After the song, go over quickly the vocabulary with the students, do some comprehension questions, ask them some questions about the actual vocabulary that you've just taught them. For example, you can act out the actual vocabulary and they can guess what it is. Once they're familiar with the game, then they can do the same and they can act out for each other. Always have backup lessons and backup flashcards and PowerPoints in your bag. Be flexible and be ready to do something on the fly just in case.